Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, was that someone talking to me or no? Anyway, so in today's video I am going to be testing out, for the first time, I have never, swear down, never ever used this brand of makeup before in my life. I didn't even know they did makeup. Like, honestly, like when I had, so basically half of the stuff that I'm going to be using was sent to me in PR, and then half of the stuff I'm going to be using I bought myself. But that is George's makeup at George's makeup at Asda. If you don't know, if you're not from the UK, Asda is a supermarket and George is like a brand within Asda that sells clothes and makeup apparently. So we're going to be testing that today. I'm actually really excited because this is really affordable makeup. Slightly nervous because I'm sure, I mean, like with every brand, there's going to be products that I'll love and products that I'm not going to love so much. But that's what this video is going to be all about. Yeah, so here's my Asda bag full of makeup, my box that was sent to me in the PR package. So I'm going to get all the products out and I'm going to lay them out on my desk just so I can like visually see them. I'll also go and tell you the prices of the things that I use so you guys can see. Oh my god, it actually looks super good. What the freak? Oh my god, okay, Asda. I feel like I'm not going to do like a certain makeup look. I'm literally just going to try the product. So I don't know if one eye is going to be different from the other eye. I literally just want to see how the products work and if it's worth you guys investing. I'm tying this hair up because I mean business, and then we're hiding these little horns that I have. Okay, anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Let's get on with this video. So first things first would be, as always, I need to prime my eyelids. The only thing I am not seeing is a concealer. So does that mean they don't do concealer? Brow kit, powder, mascara, eyeliner, a contour crayon. Maybe we need to use this as the concealer. Okay, we'll use this as the concealer. So it's like a highlighting stick. You can kind of see it says like a cream contour and highlight sticks. There's no shade, it's just called highlight. So I'm just going to pop this over my eyelids as the base. It's actually quite creamy. The only thing is the colour is quite yellowy. I might have to have a look in a minute and see if they do different colours. This is just says highlight, so I feel like anyone that's paler than me, this might look a bit too dark for you. Right, then I'm just going to use my sponge to blend that out. Let's take this eyeshadow palette. This is just the eye pigment palette, and I'm going to take the palest shade here and use that to dry off the base. I mean, it's okay. So now that's all set. I'm going to be taking this shade on the outer corner, which we're going to use for a transition shade. Oh my god, that's actually really pigmented. Oh my gosh. Okay, Asda. Was it? That's Asda price. Not bad. Okay, so I'm going to take the darker brown shade at the bottom row of colours. This one here. And I'm going to use that to darken up my outer corner. And let's see how this one blends out. Okay, so I feel like it's not as pigmented as the first shade that we put on, but I mean, you can still see it. It's not like it's not paying off, like the pigment isn't paying off. Like you can still see the blend. It's just taking longer to build it up than the other shade that we originally popped down, but you know, that's not bad at all. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch the shades on the back of my hand. Okay, so the shimmer shades aren't that, they are a bit meh. We'll try them out though on the eye in a minute. This is the eyeshadow that I bought called Sizzle, and this is the one that I really, really want to try on my eyes. And then also there's a glitter that I want to try on my eyes as well. I'm going to use the shade, which is called Sizzle, and I'm going to pack some on my eyelid. Use a flat brush. Yes, I'm not disappointed. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sizzle is beautiful. Rachel Leary, if you're watching, you need Sizzle in your life. I know Rachel loves like a good bronzy gold. Just gonna blend out the outer corners. I will say there's quite a lot of fallout. I can feel it on my face, but you know, not bad, is it? Not bad at all. I will just have a look at prices for you. So this eyeshadow palette is £5. I would say not worth it. I'd say go to the single eyeshadows, which are £2 each. So go for the single eyeshadows that are £2 each and make your own little palette up yourself, because this single shimmer shade is way better than that shimmer shade in that palette. £2. £2. So, I really want to try this glitter. Let's try the bronzy one called Vintage. So this is what it looks like. It's a cream in a pot. Let me just have a look and see how much it is. Okay, so this is the only one that doesn't say a price, but I'm guessing it's going to be no more than £5. But let's just try this anyway. I mean, it is nice. I'm more of like a powder person, so I feel like... Let me swatch at the back of my hand so you guys can see. See, it is nice. Or actually, that is really nice, isn't it? See, now you could go in with Sizzle again and pop it on top. Oh my god, it's like metallic. Yes, that's nice. Okay, right. So, I approve of the single eyeshadow and the creams. The creams are really nice. I don't know how much they are though. I'll go and have another Google in a minute and see if I can figure that out for you. So now onto the face, which scares me just a little bit. Okay, so we've got the lightweight natural radiance foundation. We've got the lightweight matte foundation, both in ones. Okay, so the matte one is in warm beige and the natural is in natural beige. Not being funny, that's stinging a little bit. Why is that stinging? I'm just going to use the one that they sent me in the PR package, which is natural beige, and this is the lightweight foundation, and it's going to be so pale, I can just tell. I'm just putting some moisturiser on, you know, prepping the skin. Oh no, it's going to be so pale and it looks pink. No. Oh my god, the colour. I really wouldn't say this was natural beige. I look like a snowman. Oh. I'm gonna be honest. I currently feel like I'm putting a bit of like face paint on my face. Like when you zoom into my skin, can you see? Can you see the texture? No. You know, maybe in another tutorial we can try the matte one and I'll get a darker colour. And I'll, yeah. I feel like I'm now gonna have to use the highlight because we don't have a concealer. And I feel like this highlighter is gonna be too dark now. Yeah, see the highlighter is now darker than the foundation colour. That actually doesn't smell good. Okay, blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. The loose powder. Not liking this foundation, so it's really hard to tell if this powder's nice or not because I just don't like this foundation. Right, let's try bronzer. Let's try bronzing up the skin. Let's use my Kiko brush. And I'm taking the bronzer, which is £3.50. Let's try this. See, I feel like if I was more tanned, I would love this. But because I'm really pale, I don't. But I feel like when I'm bronzed and like my natural foundation colour, I feel like I would actually really like this bronzer. For £3.50, definitely worth it. Yeah. Yes. Yes to the bronzer, okay? Yes. Let's do eyeliner. Oh, that was my fault. Okay. The one's actually really, really thin, so yeah, makes your life so much easier. And it's super black. Like, look how black that is. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. That's nice. Right, and then which mascara are we gonna try? We've got the Vava Volume or Pro Lash. Ooh, I'm gonna love this one. It's so spiky. This is the Pro Lash. Okay, this is the one. Soz. Like, ooh, that one's spiky too. Oh, okay, we'll use one on each eye so you can see. So this one here is the Pro Lash, and this one here is the volume one. The black one's the volume one. Okay. Pro Lash. Love. I love this already. Okay. And then let's try this volume one. Definitely adds more volume than the other mascara. Whereas the other one, they look thinner, but I just prefer the wand on the other one. They're okay. They're okay. I prefer, actually, even though I like the wand on the Pro Lash, I prefer the Vava Volume brow cream. And it comes with like an eyeliner brush. So I feel like I should just try with the eyeliner brush. I mean, the colour's nice. Just don't understand this brush. Like, it's an eyeliner brush. See? It's like not... I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, isn't it? Okay, I like the product. I just don't like the brush. But I mean, like, we're doing okay with it. Okay. Not bad. Ish. I felt like that product's actually quite nice. I just oh my god. I think I just swallowed some foundation or something. The product itself isn't bad. If you have like an angled brow brush, I actually think this will work quite nicely. Oh, okay, highlighter. I'm super excited to try this highlighter. I saw it and I was like, yes. So there's this baked bronzer, which it's a baked bronzer, which I feel like I am going to love. Okay, and then you've got the highlighter palette. So I'm going to try baked bronzer on this side and highlighting palette on this side. Okay, you ready? Oh, see, that's so nice. I like that. It would look better when I'm tanned, just saying. I like that. Yes, I like that. That's nice. I want to put this on my nose. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Sunset and Goddess. I'm going to mix those two together. Oh, that's nice too. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. It's £5. It's £5 for all of these shades. £5. That's so good. Lips. I picked up A-List, which is a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to put it on. Ooh, it looks so nice. Look. I like that. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. I love things that smell nice. I live for it. Yes. Right. So for blusher, I went and bought the one in Coral Crush, and then I've sent the one in Smoky Rose. Coral Crush is more me, So let's pop that on. Oh, a bit too much. A little goes a long way. Okay, so I think that's it. Feedback. Foundation is a no-no. Yeah, I think that's it. The foundation is a no-no, and maybe this eyeshadow palette, the shimmer shades, weren't as good as the single eyeshadow shades. Highly recommend the single eyeshadows. Highly recommend the highlighting palette. Highly recommend this baked bronzer. That's beautiful. The lip color was nice. The bronzer's nice. Just the foundation, like, it says it's warm beige. No, natural beige. It says it's natural beige. This is natural white. So stay away from the foundations, I'd say, personally, but everything else is beautiful. Like, the eyeliner was really nice. It's so black. It, like, the actual wand of itself was really thin. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with the makeup from Asda or George, whichever one you want to call it. Yeah, I'm actually really impressed. This highlighting palette is going to come with me on holiday, no joke. Like, you're going to see it in Instagram stories. I hope you guys liked this video on my first impressions on Asda's makeup. If you like this video, you guys know what to do. You can give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments in the comments section down below. You can follow me on all other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. It's all Amy's Makeup Box. I made it really nice and easy for you guys to find me. So until next time, I love you guys and I'll see you soon.